All right, so I saw this number, in beta column, and that, like 73 with three zeros is like 76, or there's like three entries before it. Like a 76, so like my curiosity, and this is like an X but circled, so it's like an X with a 1 by 10 circling it for a 20, you know? And then it goes like 7, which is like the decimal, whatever, the 2 to the decimal would be like a 7. And then like a 5 would be just, the 5 zeros here. It's basically the line of balance. It goes 0, 5 zeros. Like, well, it goes 5 zeros, and then it goes like 4 zeros, a 2, and a dot. And then it goes 20, like an X circled. And then it goes 76, which is like a 73 with three zeros. And then it says, like 205 can just be 235 because, like, there's three zeros, or there's like three cells that make up that. I don't know. And then this one looks like a 712 because that could be like a 7, and that could be the 1, and that could be like the 2, for the next one. And then 2143, well, that's pretty obvious because over here it's like, you got two of them, two twos. Then you have like a 1, and then you have like your 4. And then like you have three eights because you have an 8, 8, and an 8. 2143. And then you have like 6436, which is also a 69. And let's just go with the 69 because like this is like your 9. And then this would be like a 7, which is just a circled 6 to encapsulate your circled 69. So that is this value worth of power. So, like, interesting what this is all about. Maybe it's upside down or backwards or something, but yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These would be the 8. Okay? The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not including that one. That's the 0. See, that goes in front of all of them. Okay? That's what that is. Boop. So, beta. Alright, what is all this? This option specifies one or more values for power. Power is the probability of rejecting a false null hypothesis, and is equal to 1 minus beta. Beta is the probability of type 2 error which occurs when a false null hypothesis is not rejected. In this procedure, a type 2 error occurs when you fail to reject the null hypothesis of equal row proportions when in fact they are different. Values must be between 0 and 1. Historically, the value of 0.80, where beta is equal to 0.20, interesting balance, was used for power. Now, 0.9 beta is 0.10 is also commonly used. A single value may be entered here in a range of values such as, interesting. Alpha is the probability of rejecting a true null hypothesis. Beta is the probability of accepting a false null hypothesis. Wow. What are these? These are lower. Oh, this report shows that for 80% power. There we go. Energy 1200, remember? No, 133. Circled 133 is like a 233, which is like the 13th Fibonacci. Oh yeah? 48 respondents, like a 4x8, 4 columns and 8 rows of the right hand of God needed. Really? So this is 80% power. Maybe what was the other chart? Beta. power values of these betas. Whatever that means. Okay, 80% power. Okay, yeah. Yeah, what is this one? If anyone wants to like read this and tell me what this is all about, I see a very interesting connection up to here with creation code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, up to here. That's your 69. Or what is it? 6432? Well, that's your 7. Circled 6. 69. 64. 64. 39. 64, 36. This is 7, which is circled 6. 64. 34. 34, 36. God, Kevin, get it right. 36. Where's 6? 1, 2 circles. No, 3 circles. Plus 1s for the circles. 6. Maybe that's 6. Anyway. This stood out. That's just a circled X. Sorry. Ah. And the dot. Give me the dot. And the dot is 7. It's like a 42 with a circle around it. 42 circled is a 43 or 7. That to me looks like a 5. I don't know what this is, but whatever it is, seems to be rather official. Maybe at one point in my life, I knew what this was. Ugh. Like, ugh. Ah. This is what students are useful for. To do things that you don't want to do. Anyway.